Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have a pre-owned 2022 Yamaha Tenere 700. This adventure bike has just under 1,300 miles on it and has been through our 25-point inspection. So let's take our walk around it. We'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up for you. This Tenere is all stock yet, so it's just waiting to be customized. And with the lower miles on it, tires are still in great shape. Factory clear windscreen, factory handguards, factory skid plate. As you can see by that back tire too, that's in great shape. I did see one kind of tiny little scuff right here, but other than that, this bike is in mint condition. And this Tenere does come with ABS. $1,238 miles is what's on it. This 2022 Yamaha Tenere 700 is a pre-owned motorcycle, which means it's been through our 25-point inspection. Thank you for shopping. SimplyRideUSA.com.